Ooh, hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. This video is going to be a bit thick in what is happening because number one is I'm going to change the shocks of my wife's car and it didn't go as planned at all. Second of all, you will see already in Late Late's video they had a meet. I was supposed to go, I didn't go through, but Dash Nation and Moist Media shot some footage for me. I'm going to put that in the middle, and then the last bit will be snippets from VAD's 100 video celebration and now 30k sub celebration on his channel. He had a little bit of a get together with cars that have been on his channel. What happened that day was the wind was a bit bad, so nobody could vlog it. I did shoot some footage and I shot it in vertical, so I'm gonna try and cut it and whatever because I didn't know that was happening. Mr. Lexus 007 himself got me to ride one of his cars, and then we went through, and then it was just a crazy hoo-ha on that side. Had super fun and got extra sunburn that day. But yeah, that's what's happening in this video, so sit back, relax, enjoy the rest of it. Pull up a tea, get out to eat some more, okay, relax and enjoy this one. Yeah. Hey guys, i20 maintenance, changing the front shocks. One thing I didn't know is the wiper trim needs to come off. The wipers come off and then the whole trim, because all the nuts are underneath that trim. So yeah, that needs to come off. There's only one nut. There's only one nut holding it here on top. There's only one nut holding it. Isn't it two like on the side or nothing like that? Just the one. So just the one nut on top, whereas with my car it's the three on top. So this car needed shocks. I got shocks on the side at Goldwagen. I think it was 1,000 rand each. No, it was 800 rand each. So about 1,600 for both. And this is the same spot I came to and I did my coilovers. Management did tell me though that they don't change coilovers anymore. I can see why. While it's out, it's always good to check everything. Look at them. There's not even a lift on here, and it's super rusted because my wife does not drive this car. Might need your beer. Good time to do a liquor inspection on your car here. Nah, there's no lip on here, bro. Check all your bushings. Okay, I need to take this thing off and clean behind you. At least changing a wiper motor is not that difficult, like right here. So yeah, so that's it. They're gonna put the new ones on.
The lie detector determined that was a lie.
Sit rip. The shocks are off. They're off. I have the other shocks here. They took the shocks off, and when to replace it, they saw it's totally different shocks. And they both left shocks, by the way. I need to get back to the place which is Goldwagen and Claremont to change it. But the car's fucking up there with those shocks. So I gotta get an Uber and shit, which is gonna suck, but my wife's getting me an Uber. Let's just go fight the Goldwagen for a bit.
A few moments later.
And Goldwagen got an Uber to here just to see that they don't have stock here. So what is happening is the guys actually helping me out to get the parts from Ottery's Goldwagen and bring it here. And it's now starting to rain, which is such a great day. So this is a day in the life of not having a lovely day at all. But yeah, I'm gonna have to wait, you know, the car standing in the air at Claremont in Claremont. Why? Like, what I do? Also, I kind of need my phone, and because I kind of need my phone, and my battery is like about to die. So there's that too. So, and I'm shooting video. I was back at Taiwan, guys. Hey, check. Samen, there's a twin, me bro. There's a twin. So anyways, yeah. So back here and got the right shocks, but I had to wait. Still very low on battery, but guys, by putting the shocks in, I'll leave now. I drive now. I'm trying to conserve my battery. Okay, another sit rep. They are complete. The car is back on the floor now. We'll have to do alignment first to check how it's driving, but right now they don't like me also like walking around the cars and everybody was. I get it, I understand, but I was here to take photos of the boxes because I'm gonna keep the box out. Guys, my batteries are like 5%. Guys. And the weather just totally sucks. Why must it be like this? I leave the house early and I thought I'm gonna have a nice day tonight. But now.
Mr. Late Late.
Okay, here for Mr. VAD. So it's just something for VAD he's doing it now. Mr. Wong's also here. So we're just chilling. We'll see how it ends up being. Yeah, nice. Super low boost. I think I have to do this now because I don't close. I don't close it. Everybody, just feed. Just feed. My guy, don't be like, let's go. So yeah. Die Dial is so mad, no? But anyways, that's all the footage. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe down below. It is a bit of a mangle of a mix of what is going on, or what at least went on for the past week and a bit. But yeah, that's the episode for this week. Like, subscribe down below. I'll see you guys in the next video.